Even better with Kalamantan. Okay mga kabis, magandang umaga, magandang tanghali, magandang hapon, magandang gabi sa inyo. Kuya Jay here, what's going on? Behind me is the oldest restaurant in the Philippines. Samahan niyo ako, lasapin natin ang malinamnam na kasaysayan. Let's go! Roger, been a while. I'm here with the owner of Toho Pansiteria Antigua, the man behind it. Can you tell us a little bit about Toho?
History nito, established since 1888. And I'm the 4th generation.
Ano ba ang specialty natin?
Actually, ang specialty dito, number 1 na dinadayo, roasted asado, pancit canton, lumpia Shanghai, ampalaya beef, mga dinadayo ng mga oldies.
Tsaka yung budget, swak na swak sa kanila.
Swak. Dahil every 2 years, nag-increase na ako ng 20 to 30 pesos lang every 2 years or once a year lang.
Okay, nice. Nice to hear. Okay, orderin namin yung yung specialty mo.
Sure. Oo.
Tikman namin lahat. Suggestion lang. Sige, ilan ba?
5.
O, 5. Pwede na.
Oo, sige.
Okay na yun. Sige.
Spicy squid.
Oh, spicy squid. Ito yung spicy squid. Sarap. Malambot yung squid. Tama lang yung yung spicy. Kain. Kain naman natin yung asado. Wow. Very soft. Sarap. Tama yung timpla, yung pagkamari. Malambot. Lumpiang Shanghai. Sarap. Yung may hilig sa sauce, pero masarap. Walang sauce, masarap. Para ba dito? Sweet and sour. Try natin yung soup. Meron siyang wonton. Itlog siya. Refreshing, clear. Sarap. Ito yung specialty nilang pancit. Try natin. Okay siya. Yung serving niya, tama lang. Even better with Kalamantan. Busog na ako. Roger, pwede kami mag-order ng lechon kawali. Oh. Meron pa kaming itatry, lechon kawali. I would say healthy, tsaka quality yung mga ingredients ang gamit nila. No wonder this is one of the oldest restaurant in the Philippines. And one of the best. Hindi yata buong oras ko din. Ito, lechon kawali. Let's try. Harap to. Naku. Sarap guys. Sarap. Sarap guys. Quality yung food. I'm sure mag-enjoy kayo. Classic pansiteria food. They use good ingredients. Hope you guys like the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one.